What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 or any other operating system. So guys, in the previous video we demonstrated how we can download Windows 11, and if you have not watched that kind of video, kindly refer to the previous video. We will give a link of how you can reach to the previous video. So guys, let's continue. Okay, before we can download and install Windows 11, there are some system requirements that we must fulfill. 2 GB RAM at least, then 8 GB HDD hard disk space, then the processor speed should be at least 2.5. This is too high for some computers, but for my case it's 2.6, so it fulfills this requirement. Okay, so after having considered this system requirement, let's go down to tools to be used. The first tool that we are going to use is called Rufus. Rufus is an application that is used to create a bootable USB. Okay, the second tool that we're gonna need here is Windows 11 image. Okay, Windows 11 image, we have already downloaded it, so we have it in stock. Okay, then USB flash disk. Okay, USB drive, let me include here drive, at least 8 GB. Okay, then we need a computer to install this operating system. So guys, whoever is having any trouble downloading Rufus or Windows 11 image, I'll demonstrate it very fast. So for the case of Rufus, just come and type Rufus download and hit enter. Here it is. You can download it from this point. So for the case of Windows 11, just go to this site, get into PC, just like that, getintopc.com, and hit enter, and then come here at site in and type Windows 11. Okay, and hit go. Here it is guys, here it is. You can download it from this point. Okay guys, so let's go back to our discussion. So guys, we have fulfilled all this requirement because here is our Windows 11, here is our Rufus. So what do? Let's create a bootable USB. Remember, we said Rufus is used to create a bootable USB. Okay, so let's open our Rufus here, double click. Yes, here is the interface of Rufus. Okay, the device that is here is a 16 GB flash disk. Okay, so at a time you must be plugging more than 2 devices, so you must choose a specific device that you want to create bootable. Okay, then the second step is to select the disk image that we wanna boot. Okay, so just click on the select and go to location where that disk image is located. Okay, so in our case my location was downloads and then Windows 11 installation. So here is our disk image. Click on it and open. Right, see, it's already here, Windows 11 dev, this one. Okay, and then come leave this one the way it is. Okay, then come to the partition scheme. Well, some computers are using GPT and some are using MBR. Okay, remember GPT stands for Grid Partitioning Scheme. Okay, but MBR stands for Master Boot Record. Okay, GPT is a new technology, MBR is an old technology, but still applies. Even this computer is using MBR. So the computer that I want to install Windows 11 is using MBR partition scheme. So I will click here and select MBR partition scheme. Okay, leave everything the way it is now. Just everything the way it is, leave it. Okay, the only changes that we have made is only under select, through which we have select our operating system that we wanna install, and the partition scheme. You must take into consideration which partition scheme your computer is using. Okay, for new computers, basically they're using GPT because it's a new technology, but old computers, they're using MBR by default. And MBR is still used today because even my computer is not that old, but I'm using MBR. Okay, so take into consideration to do the right thing here. See, after you have checked that everything is in place, just hit on the start. Right, Windows 11 is here, my partition scheme is MBR, and I'm using 16 GB flash disk. Okay, so I will hit start. This is a warning that your flash disk, everything will be formatted and destroyed. Okay, remember when you are installing an operating system, or remember when you are creating a bootable device, USB, I mean, every data that was originally in that USB will be destroyed. Okay, because that USB will be formatted first before creating it bootable. Right, so just click OK. So can you see deleting partition? Guys, this might take more than 10 minutes, so I'll pause the video and return when this is finished. Guys, here it is, it's almost finishing. So after this one, we shall have achieved creating a bootable USB drive. Okay, it's done. See, so the USB drive is ready to install a new operating system to every computer. Okay, so what we'll do here basically is to click on close because it's ready. We have created a bootable USB drive. Okay, so guys, I'll close this one, then power off the computer and proceed to installation of Windows 11. So guys, let's do that very fast. Close this one, then we power off the computer